Want to play Fortnite but confused about where to download it? I'll show you the official way to get Fortnite in under 2 minutes. No scams, no viruses, just pure Battle Royale action. Step 1. Download Epic Games Launcher. Open Google Chrome or any browser. Search for Epic Games Download and click the first result, epicgames.com. Click Download, big blue button, and run the installer. Now open the Epic Games Launcher after installation. Log in or create account. It's free. Finally, download Fortnite. Go to the Library tab, left sidebar. Search for Fortnite, click Install, choose your install location, and wait. Ready to drop into the island? Smash that like button. For more gaming guides, subscribe. I'll see you in the battle bus.